Helping Hands, a social story. We can use our hands to do a lot of things, such as saying hi to a friend. Sometimes we hurt others by using our hands when we don't mean to. Sometimes, when we aren't careful with our hands, we can make our friends cry. When we don't keep our hands to ourselves, we can also get in trouble. We can use our hands to help others in need. We can use our hands to complete our classwork and assignments. When I become upset, I can use my hands to count to 10 to calm down. I can make good choices when using my hands. Don't forget, hands are for helping, not for hurting. The end.